How impressive is this Tiara Yachts 56 LS? This is the 5th LS model that they've introduced, and it's here at the Palm Beach Boat Show. Quad V12 600s in the back, pushing it to about 55 miles an hour. You got your whole kitchen back here with double cooktop griddles, line holders, and an entertainment space that's outside of your covered shade, so that smoke gets up and out of the boat. Arguably one of my favorite innovations in the past, I don't know, 5-10 years, when it comes to the hull design, are these retractable hull side doors. This completely changes the day boat experience. This thing has a 16-foot beam up to the end of the fiberglass here. This adds another 2.5 feet, so you got about 21 feet from one end to the other, expanding this thing into an absolutely amazing entertainment spot. So you have seating here for dining for, I would say, 10 people. This entire bench seat slides forward to open this cockpit space even more. Underneath right here, they have this piece. It's basically an ottoman that flips upside down and adds an additional seat to the end of the dining table. So this entertainment space with the retractable shade is absolutely top notch. I want to expand on this a little bit. This is like a bar where you can just sit back, relax right here, set up some drinks, some fresh fruit, wine, whatever it is that you want. They actually put the upholstery over back of this thing so it doubles up as like a bolster. And then, like I said, this whole bench just slides forward if you want to open up this cockpit space and not have this center section. Underneath there, you have your mechanicals where you have your seakeeper, things like that. And then on the other side of this thing, you have, like I said, your induction cooktop right there. If you want to cook anything up, this is the area to do it. That kind of slides in place, and then you got your refrigeration, different drawers set up so you can store, your plates, plastic cups, and things of that nature. One of the big differences you're going to see on the 56 compared to the 48 is this complete enclosed area. So you do have the L-shaped dining space, another bench here, retractable TV up top, and then this thing actually has the ability to keep it completely open if you got a nice weather day like today. Or you can have it like this if you want a quick in and out option, and then you close it completely if you want to be completely tucked away in AC. One thing I love about this is that they kept that center console vibe. If you want to have that open air feeling, you can have these two doors that open both port and starboard. This entire piece opens up, so you really feel like you're in a center console. But if the weather does not cooperate, you close the whole thing up, crank that AC, and you could not be more comfortable. The triple 22-inch Garmin MFDs flush mounted here into the dash, and if you notice, completely clean. They got their digital switching, and you control everything from the MFDs except for these usable items that come across all the time. Little zip way control, 360-degree visibility, great full one panel windshield, and then over the back I can see the 600s with absolutely no problem. So I can dock this thing single-handedly with full control. Down in the cabin, things get really interesting. Get over here to the starboard side, peek underneath, and you got your VIP area, full beam, and this is basically a queen size berth. This also splits. I think there's a button, and you can divide this up. If you got two buddies that don't exactly want to sleep shoulder to shoulder, you can create two twins. You got a seating area on that side, TV, closet, and just an immaculate space down here. So this is the door into this VIP area. You have your VIP head and shower with access through the bedroom. You can also poke out this way, so you have kind of like that powder bath feel from your house. If someone's out in the water and they need to use the restroom, they can pop in and out of here without stepping into that VIP room. Finishing things off in the master, you got a ton of headroom. I can barely reach it with my hands. You got a closet right here for a little bit of clothing. You got your full berth master here. You got a TV that pops out, which is really nice if you want to sit back and relax. And then finally, you got your master private head and shower with beautiful finishes throughout. So you can check out my CCO logo on my shirt as we walk to the third and final destination here, the bow. This is a full U-shaped entertainment space. You got your retractable table there. Again, you can sit back, relax. You got your cup holders. You got your speakers out here. You even have a footrest you can pop out, and look how comfortable this becomes. So again, absolutely beautiful boat. If you're into the cruising style, this is definitely something to look at. Quite the step from the 48 footer, but definitely worth looking at. I love the changes that they made to it, and it's definitely something to see here at the Palm Beach International Boat Show.